CC.8, write a formula for a recursive sequence. Now remember, a recursive sequence is whenever you use previous answers to get to the next term. So what you're going to do, you're going to look for patterns and what's going on. We have 11 to 13 to 15 to 17, 19, and 21. What's going on is we're adding 2 each time. So this is the previous term, and we're adding 2 to it to be able to get to the next one. So we're adding 2. From 7 to 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, what's happening? We're subtracting 1. So we are subtracting 1. 4 to 24 to 144 to 864. So we're not adding 20 every time because we don't get, if we were adding 20, it would be 4, 24, 44, 64, and that's not what's happening. So we are multiplying by 6 from the first term to get to the next term. 1, 7, 49, 343, 2401. We're multiplying, and this isn't giving us multiple choice. You're going to have to actually type it in, and when you type it, you're going to have to be very careful. So the term that we want, which is a sub n, equals 7 times a sub n minus 1, where n minus 1 is the term that's right before the one that you're getting. What's happening? We're multiplying by -4, so the term that we're wanting is -4 times the term that was before it. Okay, we go from 0 to 1 to 1 to 2 to 3 to 5. So take a minute and just kind of think about what's going on. You may see it, you may not see it. You know, these patterns sometimes are kind of tricky. So 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 5 is blank, right? So we're going to, the term we're looking for is the term right before it plus the term right before it. So the last two terms added together get you the next term. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Okay, so it's just alternating. And to alternate means you're using the second term before the term that you're at. 4, 4, 12, 12, 36, 36. So we're multiplying by 3 to get those, but in the process, we are repeating each term before we go on to the next one. So I know we're multiplying by 3, but we're using the term that's before the term before it, okay? So the second term before it.